I'm here with the rest of the part of Act 2, so in 7. In last video, I had ended there, so I want to remind you of the last dialogue said by Morocco, in which he was choosing the gold casket, and the reason behind that was he was considering Portia as a gem. Then that gem cannot be kept less precious than gold. So, precious things can be kept in a precious thing. That was the reason. So, he went for the gold casket. Here do I choose and thrive I as I may. It means he is wishing that may the wind fall in my lap. Let's see what he gets. Then Portia is saying, you can see that Portia's picture is there. That picture means then the speaker is the picture, the person which is inside the picture. That is, you will consider Portia is speaking. There, take it. It means she is delivering the key to the prince. And if my form, here form means the portrait of Portia. If my form lie there, then I am yours. Then Portia is saying, if you find my portrait inside that golden casket that you are going to choose, then I will be your wife according to the rule. Let's see what is ahead. Then he gets, you can see that in the picture what he gets. I have tried to put up that picture so that you can visualize it very well. Oh hell, how painful it is. What have we here? What I have got? A carrion death, a skull, within whose empty eye there is a written scroll. I will read the writing. Then you can see that what Morocco got after opening the golden casket. He found a skull, and there was a scroll paper that was rolled, and that was inside the empty eye of that skull. And now something was written on that paper, and now he is going to read it out. So here we can say that it's a very funny moment for us, and also we cannot expect that this kind of person should marry Portia. So I think every reader will be happy at this consequence which is faced by Morocco. Let's see what was written there. All that glitter is not gold. Every shining thing cannot be the gold. Often you have heard the told. Many times you have heard this saying. Many a man his life hath sold, but my outside to behold. It means the scroll, or the you can see the gold itself is saying that many person has risked their life being impressed by seeing my outer appearance. बहुत सारे लोग मेरे बाहर की जो चमकीला चीज़ है उसी को देखकर इम्प्रेस हो जाते हैं और अपना लाइफ रिस्क पे लगा देते हैं. यही चीज़ वो कहना चाहता है. मैनी ए मैन हिज लाइफ हैड सोल्ड, मैनी पर्सन हैज़ रिस्क देयर लाइफ बीइंग इम्प्रेस्ड टू सी माई आउटर अपीयरेंस. गिल्डेड टूम्स, इट मीन्स द टूम्स. टूम्स मैंने तो एक समझते ही आप लोग क्या होगा, दैट इज़ ए कॉफिन और द ग्रेव. Gilded tombs do worms enfold. You see what happens if someone is so rich, then after his death his body is kept in a golden grave. It does not mean that some valuable thing is happening inside the grave. Very inferior thing, very worst thing, very less valuable thing is happening inside the grave. What happens? The insect, the worm feeds upon the corpse, द डेड बॉडी. अंदर में कीड़े ही होते हैं भाई, कीड़े गोल्ड जैसे कीमती नहीं होते हैं. तो ये एक एग्जाम्पल दे रहा है. हैड यू बीन एज वाइज एज बोल्ड, इफ यू वेर इक्वली वाइज एज यू वेर बोल्ड, अगर तुम उतने ही बुद्धिमान होते जितने कि तुम बहादुर हो. यंग इन लिम्स एज इन जजमेंट ओल्ड, ऑल्दो यू आर वेरी एक्टिव फिजिकली, बट यू शुड बी मैच्योर mentally. In that case, your answer had not been scrolled. So had you fulfilled those conditions, it means had you been wise and had you been a matured person, then the consequence would not have fallen on you what you are having now. Fare you well, your suit is cold. And the last line was written on the scroll that you should go because your chance has been ended. तो हम लोग यहाँ देखते हैं कि कितना मजाक उड़ाया है इस लेटर ने भी मोरक्को का. Cold indeed, really it is very painful, and labor lost, Morocco is saying, and all the labor has gone in vain. Then farewell, heat and welcome frost. Then he is farewelling his warmth and he is welcoming the disappointment. Frost माने यहाँ पर आप disappointment समझ सकते हैं. Portia adieu, he is bidding goodbye to Portia. I have too grieved a heart to take tedious leave. I have been so much distressed or disappointed that I cannot wait for the ceremonial departure. So please allow me to leave as soon as possible. Judge loser's part, and this is the way a loser should depart from the scene. वो खुद ही एक्सेप्ट कर रहा है कि लूजर्स को ऐसे ही जाना चाहिए. तो यहाँ पर लास्ट है, यहीं पे एक्ट 2 और सीन 7 ख़त्म हो जा रहा है. अ जेंटल रिडेंस, देन रिडेंस मीन्स रिलीज, छुटकारा. देन पोर्शिया इज सेइंग रियली easy, I have got a easy release from Morocco, because you see we are not liking Morocco, then how Portia can like, she is so beautiful. Let all his complexion choose me so. Then she is wishing all the persons like him should choose a wrong casket. So this is the end of that act 2 scene 7. I will meet you all students with the new act, new scene, maybe act 2 and some scenes of act 2 I will prepare and will be with you with that video. Till then, bye and take care.